Hello. In this video, we are going to solve word problems using the open number line strategy, expanded form or place value strategy, and checking with base 10. So basically, this video, I'm going to go over all three of the strategies to remind you how to use those for word problems. The paper I'm using is from the UCPS packet, week 1, day 3, and it says page 10. It is this paper right here. So again, it's from the Union County Public Schools packet, week 1, day 3. At the bottom, it has 10 as the page number, and it is an iReady worksheet. For this video, keep it short and simple. I'm just going to work with number 1. So this says, Tony has 37 building blocks. Then he buys more blocks. Now he has 51 blocks. How many blocks does Tony buy? If I am writing my equation as I am reading my problem, first thing I notice right here is 37. Then he buys more blocks. I don't know how many more he buys. Now he has 51 blocks. So start, change unknown, and then we have our result. So 37 building blocks. We don't know how many more he bought, and he ended up with 51. Because there is not much space, I'm going to move here to the whiteboard, and I'm just going to start at the top by rewriting that equation. 37 plus unknown equals 51. Okay. Now, if I am solving with place value or expanded form strategy, I am going to want to rewrite this equation. And I think this is really just a great habit anyway, just until you get kind of that mental math to recognize whether you're adding or subtracting. If I were to draw a part-part whole, I know that my whole is 51. I have one part. I'm missing the other part. When my part-part whole looks like this, I know I subtract. So if I'm rewriting my equation, I would write 51 minus 37 equals unknown. Now, first I'm going to model using the place value or expanded form strategy. I did post another video showing how to use this strategy with addition and subtraction. So I'm just going to kind of brief through this really quickly. So first thing we have to do is stack our equation, 51, 37, minus. I'm then going to expand those numbers, breaking apart my 10s and my 1s. So this becomes 50 plus 1 and 30. That's not a 30. There, that made it worse. 30 plus 7. Then carrying over my sign so that I know I'm subtracting. I can't take away 7 from 1, so I have to borrow from my neighbor. This becomes 40. And this becomes 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. I have my math facts because I've been practicing with extra math. And 40 minus 30 is 10. Then I simply add 10 plus 4 equals 14. When using the place value or expanded form strategy, we subtract our 1s, subtract our 10s, add at the bottom. Okay, simple enough. Next, I'm going to do the open number line strategy. So drawing my number line, one thing with open number line, I want to make sure my jumps are easy and something that I can get to a number that I can easily think of in my mind. So I'm going to start on the end with 51. My first jump, I'm going to make, I'm going to do 3 jumps of 10, so minus 10. Remember, since I'm subtracting, I'm going that way on the number line. I need to jump back 37 times, that's why I'm doing these jumps of 10. So 51 minus 10 brings me to 41, 31, 21. So now I have jumped back 30 times. Now I can do a jump of minus 1 just to get there to an easy number of 20. And then since I'm at 20, I'm just going to go ahead and do a jump back of 5. That will get me to 15. I'm going to check, see how much I've jumped back. 10, 20, 30, 31, 36. I need to jump back 37. So I just have to do one more jump of 1, and that brings me to 14, which is the same answer that I got using the expanded form strategy. Finally, to check our answer, if we are using the base 10 strategy, we're going to draw our tomato and onion chart. T-O. First, I'm going to model my largest number. Since I'm subtracting, I'm always going to do the largest number on my base 10 chart. If I'm adding, then I put both numbers. But since I am subtracting, I'm going to use the largest number. So 51, I'm going to do my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and a 1, because I have 1. Next, I need to subtract 37. However, I cannot subtract 7 ones from 1. So I need to borrow a 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm drawing this out as a tens frame. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 across the top, 5 across the bottom. So this is gone. It's over here now. Now I can subtract 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 remaining. And then over here, I just count my tens. After I do need to subtract my tens from the 30. So I've subtracted 7, now I need to subtract 30. So 10, 20, 30. I have 1 10 remaining. 1 10 4 ones gives me an answer of 14. All right. I hope this helps. Parents, I understand this is a little funky, but students have done a really great job with these strategies, and as I said, definitely recommend either using the open number line strategy or the expanded form place value strategy, and then checking with base 10 if they need to. I hope this helped. I'll see you guys in the next video.